Hey everyone, and welcome. We're well into January, that post-holiday limbo where our ambitious New Year's resolutions can sometimes feel like distant echoes in the wind. It's that time when the rush of the festive season has given way to the quiet calm of winter. The decorations are down and the house seems strangely silent. The glitter and glitz of the holiday season have faded. And right in the midst of this calm, our once shining fitness resolutions seem to lose their glimmer. This is especially true about our fitness resolutions. We start the year with a bang, all guns blazing. We purchase new running shoes, invest in gym memberships, fill our fridges with an assortment of healthy foods, and swear by our early morning routines. There's an air of excitement, a sense of purpose. We're pumped, we're motivated, and we're eager to kickstart our journey to a healthier, fitter self. Then bam! Reality hits, and it hits hard. The winter chill makes it harder to wake up early. The gym membership card stares back at you from the wallet, more of a silent reminder of failed resolutions than a ticket to fitness. The healthy food feels bland and monotonous. The energy levels drop and the motivation wanes. And just like that, the fitness goals that seem so achievable suddenly appear mountainous. But fear not, fitness warriors. This is not the time to give in or give up. This is the time to rise, to fight back. This is the time to remember why you started this journey in the first place. Today, we're tackling the January slump head-on. We're going to delve deep into a treasure trove of actionable tips and tricks to keep you moving, motivated, and on track to your fitness goals. We're going to share strategies, techniques, routines, and much more to help you confront your challenges and turn your fitness resolutions into reality. Let's be honest, when we say get fit, it's an incredibly vague aspiration. Most of us have used this phrase in our lives, but what does it really mean? We should be asking ourselves, what are we really aiming for when we say we want to get fit? A one-size-fits-all answer doesn't exist because everyone's fitness journey is unique. However, if we want to make our goals more meaningful and achievable, it's time to revamp our goal-setting approach, and that's where SMART goals come into play. SMART is an acronym that stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. These parameters help us design goals that are clear, trackable, realistic, closely linked to our individual needs, and have a set timeline for completion. Consider the specific criterion. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, you could say, I want to improve my cardiovascular endurance. Here the goal is clear and unambiguous. Next is measurable. Your goal needs to be quantifiable so you know when you've achieved it. For instance, I want to be able to run 3 miles without stopping. The attainable aspect ensures that your goal is realistic and achievable within your physical and time constraints. Relevant ensures the goal aligns with your long-term fitness aspirations. And lastly, time-bound. This means setting a deadline for your goal, which creates a sense of urgency and motivation. So instead of a vague goal like get fit, let's reshape it into a SMART goal. I want to be able to run 3 miles without stopping 3 times a week for the next 3 months. This goal is specific, measurable, attainable, relevant to improving your fitness, and has a set timeline. Making such changes in the way you set your goals can significantly impact your fitness journey's success. What's your true motivation? Is it looking good in a swimsuit, toned and fit, or is it about feeling confident in your skin, being the best version of yourself you can be? Maybe amidst all the chaos and busyness of life, it's about finding a moment for yourself, a chance to breathe and just be. Perhaps it is about having more energy for your kids, to be able to play with them without getting winded, or to be able to keep up with their boundless energy and enthusiasm towards life. Or possibly it's about setting an example for them, demonstrating how important it is to take care of one's health and to prioritize oneself sometimes. Maybe your motivation stems from a desire to challenge yourself, to push your boundaries, and to see what you're capable of accomplishing. It could be about overcoming fears, breaking down the walls you've built around yourself, and discovering the strength that resides within you. For some, it's about finding a community, a tribe of like-minded individuals who understand your struggles, share your triumphs, and support you on your journey. It's about becoming part of something bigger than yourself, a collective that thrives on mutual encouragement and camaraderie. Or could it be that your why lies in improving your longevity, in investing in your future, and in ensuring you're around for the important moments in life. It could be about prevention, about keeping diseases at bay, and maintaining a quality of life that allows you to enjoy your years fully. Possibly, you might be seeking a mental shift, a change not just in the physical, but in the cognitive too. Exercise is known to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase overall mental well-being, so your motivation could be intertwined with your pursuit of contentment and peace. Whatever your why might be, it is unique to you. It's personal and deeply connected to your values, your aspirations, and your vision for your life. Let it be your guiding light, your anchor. Knowing your why will fuel your fire when the going gets tough. Don't get stuck in a rut. The monotony of your regular routine could be the very thing preventing you from fully experiencing the joy of variety. Life is full of different activities waiting to be explored. Imagine yourself trying out something new, something out of the ordinary. Have you ever thought about enrolling in a dance class? Salsa, tango, or even hip-hop, the choices are endless. The music, rhythm, and movement can revitalize your senses and uplift your spirits. Moreover, it's an enjoyable way to burn those extra calories. Or perhaps you could choose to immerse yourself in the wonders of nature. Feel the crunch of leaves under your feet, the cool breeze on your face, and the chirping of the birds around you. It's not just about reaching the top, but also about appreciating the journey. The serenity and peace that nature offers can make you forget the hustle and bustle of city life. Then there's the exciting world of rock climbing. Joining a rock climbing gym can add that adrenaline rush to your routine. It's an activity that challenges you both physically and mentally. Overcoming the challenging terrains and reaching the summit gives a sense of accomplishment like no other. It not only keeps you fit, but also increases your willpower and determination. The key is to find something that you genuinely enjoy, something that sparks your interest. That way, you'll be more likely to stick with it. The joy of doing something you love can be the best motivation to keep going. But you don't have to do it alone. Find a workout buddy. Having someone to hold to share the highs and lows of your fitness journey can make all the difference. The friendly competition, the shared laughter, and the mutual encouragement can enhance your workout experience. Plus, it's more fun to sweat it out with a friend. Don't beat yourself up for missing a workout or indulging in a treat. Celebrate your small victories, like completing a challenging interval training session or making it to the gym after a long day. Keep a fitness journal or use a fitness app to track your workouts, weight, or whatever metrics matter to you. Seeing your progress, even incremental, is a powerful motivator. You can't out-train a bad diet. Eat nutritious foods that will give you energy and support your fitness goals. Don't forget to stay hydrated. When you're well rested, you're more likely to have the energy and motivation to exercise. Aim for 7-8 hours of sleep each night. Don't let setbacks derail your progress. If you miss a few workouts, don't give up. Just pick yourself up and get back on track. Remember, consistency is key, not perfection. Adjust your workouts to fit your schedule and energy levels. Sometimes a shorter, more intense workout is better than nothing at all. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people who share your fitness goals. Join an online forum, connect with local fitness groups, or find a gym with a welcoming atmosphere. Follow inspiring fitness accounts, share your own journey, and connect with like-minded individuals. Seeing others succeed can be a powerful motivator. And there you have it. Actionable tips and tricks to conquer the January slump and stick to your fitness resolutions. So get out there, stay motivated, and let's make this year your fittest year yet.